How to add PayPal to WooCommerce. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply create a recurring product with the WooCommerce Store Manager's Guide, and then you're gonna have to enable reference transactions on your PayPal account. So you're gonna have to contact customer service to do this. Now you're gonna have to enable PayPal checkout in your admin panel. PayPal checkout requires an additional plugin for integration. You can use your preferred plugin to integrate. However, the next steps describe the recommended plugin method. So you're gonna have to download the PayPal payments plugin from WooCommerce, which is this one here. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply log into your WordPress admin panel and navigate to your plugins page. Then click add new plugin and upload the plugin from your download location on your system. Then you're gonna have to navigate to your WordPress plugins page and activate the WooCommerce PayPal Payments plugin. Once the extension has been installed and activated, you'll find the PayPal options available under WooCommerce settings and then checkout. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.